Guys, I wanna take you with me. I wanna go around Bali, show you, let's forget the wellness retreats and the floating breakfast. Let's look at another side of spending in Bali. We'll look at things like how much is the place I'm staying at, how much is the laundry, transport, how do I get around, what about the gym, how much is that? But I think most importantly, at the end of this video, I'll show you the shocker I had exchanging money here, and actually what is the best way to spend money, not only in Bali, but I'd say abroad anywhere. So yeah, guys, come with me. Let me show you around where I'm staying, and we'll go from there. Now this place cost, I think it was like £307 a month, just to try and be exact. Then you've got things like the swimming pool as well. Nice bonus. When I look for somewhere, I look for 3 things: so quiet, clean, comfortable. Anything like that, or if it's got a rooftop barbecue, a sauna, whatever, just look for quiet, clean, comfortable. Get those 3 out of the way first, and anything on top of that is a bonus. If you are looking to rent somewhere for, let's say, 30 days plus, I would always recommend using Airbnb. Yeah, sure, you could probably find cheaper places on Facebook or getting your feet on the ground and looking around the area, but just for ease and convenience, time is money. So yeah, I just recommend using Airbnb. So now we're going to go to the gym. Some gyms we saw here we just wouldn't go to, but before we came we were looking like, and I'll explain what I mean, but you just want like a nice, welcoming looking gym. Now look, this type of place might be right for some people, but it's just not for us. So let's head to a gym we chose instead. Got this bad boy, I'm pointing to it now, for 1 million Indonesian rupees, which I'll put the conversion on the screen because I can't remember. I pre-organised getting it with the host of the Airbnb, just because I always try to do that as much as possible, because it just feels like more, I don't know, genuine, safe. I can't really think of the way to say it. It's not like every scooter rental place I don't think is safe. Like, we've used so many and it's been absolutely fine. It's just an extra guarantee, I guess, and again, convenient. Oh yeah, and before I forget, this is how much it costs to fill from flashing basically empty to all the way full. If you want to know about a travel insurance provider that covers you for scooters, I'll link the one I've partnered with in the description. So yeah, if you want to get that scooter cover, which can be important, then just have a look at the link in the bio. Anyway, enough of that. Let's get to the gym. I'll go in there, get some videos. I won't fucking vlog in there. People are trying to work out, and yeah, and then I'll talk to you about how much it is after. So yeah, see you in a bit. Back to my point previously about just finding a place that fits you. I know a lot of people find the gym overwhelming, and at one point I was completely that person. There's obviously a side to it where you can go and it for sure improves things, like obviously your physical health, but your mental health as well. Now, I'm not going to sit on this YouTube video and just preach to you about the gym, but it's mainly to those people that feel overwhelmed. But yeah, enough of that. I'm going to sit down, have this protein shake, and I think it costs just over £1. And then after that, going to head back and get the stuff sorted to take to the laundry place. Just quickly come back to pack up the stuff to take to the laundry place. But I just want to mention, like, about if you're worried about getting your laundry done in these countries, don't be. If you're bringing stuff that you're worried to take to a laundry place, like, maybe you shouldn't be bringing it. That's my opinion anyway. Another thing I want to mention about this one we're going to, I bought this there, and it was like a fake one from Thailand, and it had some of the letters coming off, and when I went and picked it up, like, they've taken the time to glue the letters back on. Whether they were worried they thought it was them or not, doesn't matter. The fact that they done it is still so good. My advice for when you pack stuff to come on these adventures or whatever, follow what I call the 6-pack rule. Now, just pack, so wear an outfit and then pack 5 other outfits. That is like the perfect middle ground of enough clothes to wear and an outfit to have before you have to go to laundry and get it washed. We'll go to this laundry place, I'll show you the price, and I'll also tell you the turnaround, how long it takes them to get your clothes back as well. Yeah, so dropped off the washing, literally just around the corner from here. Yeah, 24 hours, and it cost like 50 something thousand for that big bag I'll show you. But yeah, drop that off, that's done. I'll put the conversion on screen of how much that'll be, and then gonna go for some food now. So yeah, come to our favourite place here in Tagalog. I think that's it. Look, another pooch. Yeah, the Sandri Cafe. Just quickly, my recommendation when you're trying to find somewhere to eat, and you're trying to eat somewhere nice on a budget like this, I found out that in Bali, it might be Indonesia as well, I'm not sure, there's places called warungs or something. You can search them on Google Maps and look, go onto the photos, check the reviews, see if it looks decent. You don't have to just go to these warungs either, but places that are trying to do like local, affordable, nice food seems to call themselves that. So I didn't really get to properly record in the restaurant, which you'll find out why in a minute, but I'll show you some of what it looks like. And if I remember correctly, the price came to about 211,000. So again, I'll put the conversion on screen. That was bloody amazing, but we need to get back because I think I've lost the key. So see you soon. Thank fuck. Just outside the front. What an idiot. They could have fell out of my pocket anywhere. But yeah, sorry I rushed that bit. We'll go in and I'll try and talk about the stuff I forgot. This jacket is not waterproof at all. Let me tell you, it's rainy season at the moment in Bali, but it's so nice, like the rain in the jungle. And I guess it's less busy as well, considering it's like a low rainy season. If you was worried about coming to Bali in the low season, rainy season, whatever, I wouldn't put it off. Like if it's convenient for you to come now, then yeah, go for it. Because yeah, it's just been so cool here. Just shorts, t-shirt, and you're not just fucked. Like that's Thailand gets like that sometimes, even in the cool season. Freaking lish. I can do the conversions now quickly of the currency exchange we got. So look, we gave 13,000 baht. So the story behind it is we got our deposit back and they could only give it to us in cash. There's like the 2 months rent, and they, you know what it's like with deposit, they find ways to chip a bit here and there, fucking whatever. So we should have got, and I don't think this has dramatically changed, maybe by like 100,000 Indonesian rupees, so should have been 6,688,000, just over that. We got 5,525,000. Which is like nearly a million rupees, and a million is £45.72. So we probably lost out on between 40 £45. A lot of money out here, and a lot of money to just wasted currency conversions. I would never ever take cash and convert it when I go somewhere. What you want to do is get banks like Wise is a good one for people in the UK. Revolut, I think they're like in America as well, if you're from the US or anywhere. I've got Wise. I always link Wise on the videos just because they're the best all-round one. I think for the conversion rates it's the best, but I would always use these banks because they don't charge fees for spending card payments. For countries like Thailand or Vietnam, where it seems that you pay for a lot of things in cash, Revolut, Wise, I don't know the exact limits, Monzo as well, but they have like a limit on the amount of cash you can get from the ATM abroad. But what I would say is, if you're taking out more than the limit is, you're spending a lot of money. And then just get a couple of those banks as well, like get a Wise one and a Revolut, get a Revolut and a Monzo. I would always start with Wise and get one of the other ones, but it just means that you've got 2 cards that you can get money out in. Like I think Monzo's like £200 or something, I just don't know about the rest off the top of my head, but you can check. And then when you pay actually on card, when you've got the opportunity to do that, or you book something online, say you're in Thailand, then you don't get charged a conversion fee on it when you pay on card. So brilliant. And then Wise will give you most of the time, if not all, the best currency exchange. Look, we needed to change that cash up, but I'll tell you about Indonesia, at least Bali, that everywhere has been pay on card. There might be the odd place where you'll need cash, so get that cash out of the cash machine and just have some on you, but everywhere here is pay on card. So if you do get Wise, Monzo, Revolut, those bank accounts, if you do get them, like, you'll be sorted here. It's really handy. But yeah, we had to do it with this cash. We had to get the exchange of cash because we just had so much. Like, it's fucking ridiculous to have that much cash sitting there. But I do not understand why people are like exchanging currency abroad, like real money. Just get one of these banks. Like, oh yeah, if you need to convert as well quickly, just if you got Apple, just go on the calculator and there's like a convert thing on there. Look, you might fucking know about it, well done to you, but a lot of people don't. And if you've got an Android phone, my advice, and listen to this carefully, is grow up and get an iPhone. So guys, with that being said, I'm gonna wrap up the video, but I hope it's been helpful. I'm gonna try and focus on the videos just being helpful. Hold on. Some of the stuff I find myself creeping into turns into a bit of like a vanity project of showing off like places, but I don't want it to be about that. Like, when I started this, it's mainly just about showing people how like non-threatening it is and easy it is to come to these places, not just to try and fucking show off about whatever the hell I'm up to. But after this video, I'm actually going to show some stuff you can do that doesn't cost a shitload of money, and it's still fun, still enjoyable, still an experience. So yeah, look out for that, and thanks for watching.